Scientists can now grow functioning human organs from your own cells. Not transplants from donors. Not artificial implants. Real, living organs, grown in labs from stem cells that your body won't reject. Here's how close we actually are. This isn't science fiction. Mayo Clinic, Regeneration in Japan, Harvard, and dozens of research centers worldwide are making this real. Some organs are already in human trials. Others are saving lives in animals. In the next 7 minutes, I'll show you exactly which organs we can regrow, how the science works, and when you might actually benefit from this technology. Let's dive in. The problem. Right now, over 100,000 Americans are waiting for organ transplants. Every single day, 17 people die waiting for an organ that never comes. Even if you get a transplant, your immune system sees it as foreign and tries to reject it, meaning you're on harsh immunosuppressant drugs for life. But here's the breakthrough. Scientists discovered that we don't need donor organs at all. We can grow new ones from your own cells. Your body won't reject them because they're made from you. No waiting lists. No immune rejection. Just your own regenerated tissue. And it's already happening. The science explained. Here's how organ regeneration works. Step 1. Scientists take a small sample of your cells, maybe from your skin or blood. Step 2. They reprogram those cells into induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs. These are special cells that can become any type of cell in your body: heart, liver, kidney, lung, you name it. Step 3. Using signals from developmental biology, they guide these stem cells to organize themselves into functional organ tissue. It's like replaying how your organs formed when you were an embryo, but in a lab dish. Step 4. They grow this tissue on biodegradable scaffolds, basically 3D printed frameworks that shape the developing organ. Step 5. Once mature, the engineered organ is transplanted into your body, where it integrates and starts functioning. No donor. No rejection. Just biology doing what it's designed to do: heal and regenerate. So which organs can we actually regenerate today? Let's break it down by progress level. Quick pause. Before we continue, if you're learning something new here, tap that like button. It genuinely helps us grow and bring you more breakthroughs. Alright, here's where it gets really exciting. Already in clinical use. Skin and corneas. Regenerated skin is already treating burn victims, and lab-grown corneas are restoring vision in patients worldwide. This technology is routine in specialized medical centers today. Human trials underway. Heart tissue. Functional cardiac patches, engineered heart muscle, are being implanted in patients to repair damage from heart attacks. Early trials show these patches integrate with existing heart tissue and restore function. Mayo Clinic and others are testing implantable heart patches in humans right now, in 2024 and 2025. Liver tissue. Bioengineered liver tissues capable of detoxification and metabolic functions have been transplanted in preclinical models. Some hospitals are producing bioengineered livers to treat people with liver disease and bile duct issues. Human trials are expanding as we speak. Hold up. I know this sounds unbelievable, but this is all backed by peer-reviewed research. The question isn't if we can do this, it's when it becomes widely available. And the timeline? Sooner than you think. Advanced animal testing. Kidneys. This is huge. Miniature kidney organoids, lab-grown mini kidneys, are already filtering waste in laboratory settings. They work. They function like real kidneys. Researchers at institutions like Regeneration in Japan and the University of Pittsburgh have successfully generated kidney tissue that produces urine in animal models. Full-size, transplantable kidneys are the next step, with human trials expected within 5 to 10 years. Lungs. Scientists are making breakthroughs in vascularization, creating the blood vessel networks lungs need to function. Lab-grown lung tissue is approaching clinical viability, with animal studies showing promise. The timeline. So when will this actually be available to you? Skin and corneas, available now, in specialized centers. Heart patches, human trials happening in 2024 to 2025. Expect limited clinical use by 2027 to 2030. Liver tissue, preclinical success. Human trials expanding. Potential availability by 2030 to 2035. Kidneys, animal trials successful. Human trials projected within 5 to 10 years. Full availability by 2035. Complete hearts and lungs, still major challenges with complexity and vascularization. Realistic timeline, 2035 to 2045. Here's the reality, some of this is happening right now. Other parts will take another decade. But the progress is undeniable, and it's accelerating fast. Who's leading this? The biggest players in organ regeneration. Japan, Riken Center for Biosystems Dynamics Research is at the forefront. Japan's regenerative medicine market was valued at $1.57 billion in 2024, and is projected to hit $5.7 billion by 2033. United States, Mayo Clinic, Harvard Medical School, and the University of Pittsburgh are running active human trials on heart and liver tissue. Global collaboration, the Japanese Society for Regenerative Medicine, European transplant organizations, and international stem cell research groups are all working together to make this real. Billions of dollars are being invested. Thousands of researchers are involved. This is one of the most funded areas of medical science today. What this means for you. If you're young today, organ failure might not be a death sentence by the time you're old. Damaged heart? Grow a new one. Failing kidneys? Regenerate them. Liver disease? Replace it with tissue from your own cells. This technology doesn't just extend life, it improves quality of life. No more waiting on transplant lists. No more immunosuppressant drugs. No more hoping someone else's tragedy becomes your second chance. Your own cells. Your own organs. Your own future. So, which organ breakthrough shocked you the most? The heart patches already in human trials. The kidney organoids that actually filter waste. Drop your answer in the comments, I read every single one. And if you want to stay ahead of breakthroughs like this, that video is next. It covers another medical discovery that sounds impossible, but it's real. Hit subscribe. We're uncovering 3 future discoveries every week. This is Lab to Discovery. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.